All right, y'all, who says carnivore can't have comfort food? This right here is my meat lover's calzone, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. It's basically pizza without the guilt, all the good stuff, and none of the bad stuff. So we're going to keep it simple today. We're going to make a basic calzone crust that's carnivore friendly, and we have meat lovers stuffing. We have hamburger and sausage, some pepperoni, mozzarella, and a creamy Alfredo dipping sauce. I will have all of the ingredients down below for the crust and list out the specifics, but for right now I have it all measured out, and I'm just going to mix it up real quick together. So I just heated it up for about 30 seconds in the microwave just to get that mozzarella cheese a little bit melted. Then I'm going to add my butter in here. And this is going to form the dough. So now you're going to grab your calzone dough and get a piece of it and either roll it out or press it out in your tortilla press. That's the easy way out, and that is what I'm going to do. All right, so as you can see, we have one right there. If you see little cracks forming, you can just push it together or put a little piece to seal it up. If you don't get your pork rinds all the way crushed, you might find yourself with little cracks, but that's okay. All right, so we got one crust made. You can make these as big or as tiny as you want. You could use these for appetizers and make them small, so you could have little party appetizers or movie snacks if you want with your family. You do not have to worry about this dough sticking to your hands because that butter will get you nice and greasy. All right, so now we have the calzone dough all made up. And let's get to stuffing our calzones. All right, so now you're going to grab your ingredients, grab your dough, and we are going to start stuffing. And like I said, we are going to keep it all carnivore today. I just have some hamburger and some Italian sausage. And we have a little bit of pepperoni. And we have some mozzarella cheese. So we're going to have ourselves a meat lover's calzone. And then we're going to air fry these. Oops, I'm making a mess. Par for the course, you guys. And then we're going to fold these over. Oops. I think I stuffed it too full. Don't be like me. Don't be greedy. Okay. So if you do them on the pizza round or these Parmesan papers, you can just use that to fold them right over. And it makes it pretty darn easy. Oh, but if you go too thin, you start breaking it like I did. All right, so this one I am not going to stuff as much. Let's try another one. Okay, so I am just going to leave it right on here and bake it up right on my parchment round. You're going to air fry these. This one's a baby one, so I cannot stuff this one very full. Just a baby. It's going to be our last one we're making. I'm going to make my ingredients more towards the center. This is a learning curve for me, you guys. This is the first time I've worked with this dough. I seen a recipe for another dough and I tried to make it and it was too darn crumbly, so I kind of adjusted the ingredients and decided to go with this route, and it seems that this is going to work but it's a learning curve for me. So hopefully when I bake it, it will be nice and delicious. So we'll see. If not, this is going to go in my failed recipes, because the first one that I did with the other person's dough crumbled the minute I tried to fold it over, and I said, not good. I will bring one on later and let you guys see what that dough looked like. So I had to do it all over again. Okay, so now we are going to air fry these at 350 degrees, I think. So we'll see. I will let you guys know. Let me get this all set up. And again, this is what it's going to look like if you stuff it too full. But I'm going to bake this one anyway, because you know what? Who cares? It's going to be good. We're going to eat it anyways. I don't care if it's ugly. It's just for me. All right. Isn't this sign cute? My friend got it for me. Cute for my little wiener dogs. All right, so we are going to throw these in my air fryer basket. I think I can only do 2 of them at a time. Let's see, maybe I can do 3. Let's get the funky one in there. Let's get the funky one over with. Who cares? Right? So we have 2 that look beautiful, 1 that looks ugly, but that's okay. We'll do our baby one later. And while these are cooking, I will clean. All right, so into the air fryer it goes. You could bake them if you want. We're gonna do this air fryer bake until all golden and melty. And then that's gonna be the hardest part, is smelling that good smell in the kitchen and waiting until we can eat it. Let me go grab that ugly dough that I made from the other recipe. I'll be right back, hang on. So here is the dough that I got off of somebody else's recipe. And when I tried to make it, it crumbled like this. It's really, really dry, you guys. It's like really crumbly like dust. And I said, oh no, I cannot make this work. So I redid the recipe like a lot, changed it a lot. So hopefully mine works. It looks greasy enough. Butter will make anything better, right, y'all? So this one did not have anything like I put in this one. So hopefully that one will work out great, because this one is not good. All right, you guys, we will be back when we can taste our meaty carnivore creation. Catch you later. I am thinking I need to flip these over. I don't know how this one's gonna work out. That's my jacked up one, you guys. We're gonna do it like this. There we go, there we go. Where there's a will, there's a way. Do those not look perfect? I hope they taste as good as they look. We're gonna let these cool for a few minutes, and then we are gonna get our grub on. And boom, like that, y'all, golden brown and tasty looking. Took so long because the first batch where I tried to follow another recipe, it was horrible. You can see them over there. I put them on camera earlier. They all crumbled apart, so I had to remake it with my own
First
stuff.
impressions?
They were horrible.
No, this one.
Oh, what's your first impression?
The shape reminds me of a Choco Taco.
Well, there's nothing, there's no ice cream inside.
You know what I'm talking about.
So this one, look, I put the ugly part on. I stuffed this one too full. I stuffed this one too full. But you can pick your, ooh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah.
How come mine doesn't look like that?
Well, I didn't stuff those ones full. Here, you can have this one.
See?
I didn't stuff it as full. There's a benefit of getting the ugly one.
Yeah, it's partial.
The ugly ones try to please you better. Here, you can take that one. This is Alfredo sauce if you want to dip it in. So these are 100% carnivore. Pepperoni's a little dirty, but you know, I know you like it dirty. We're going to do it together.
Pardon me?
Come on. Stop it.
You're dirty.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
We can double dip because it's just us. It's good. It stays together good. If you like marinara sauce, that'd be good too, but that's not carnivore.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's it, y'all. Get your wiener out of the way. It's good.
You're just talking dirty on this episode, Katie.
Shh. That's it, chicken. Stop it, I'm choking on my meat.
What happened to you when I was in the bag?
I colored my hair. All right, y'all, that is it. That is all of the flavor and none of the carbs. So, meat lovers calzone. You dip it in the Alfredo sauce and boom, game over.
It's fun.
It ain't gonna last. Your family is not gonna wanna share. There's gonna be no leftovers. So you can double, triple the batch, whatever you guys want. I will put the exact ingredients down below and how I cooked it. So if you loved this recipe, hit the subscribe button and share this video with one of your friends that you think might be missing pizza on a carnivore diet. Links to my Amazon favorites and Buy Me a Coffee are down below if you want to help support the channel. Now excuse me while I go finish my calzone. Bye.